Welcome back again. This video is going to be about installing WordPress. Now, if you don't know what WordPress is actually an open source piece of software and probably the easiest and most powerful blogging and website content management system on the internet. Millions of blogs and business owners use WordPress to manage their website. Well-established websites like TechCrunch and Mashable are using WordPress too. It's an excellent website platform for a variety of websites, blogging, e-commerce to business and portfolio websites. Here are a few examples of what types of websites you can build with WordPress: blog, e-commerce, business, news, photography, music, membership. Now let's crack on and actually install WordPress on our system. Okay, here I am on my cPanel. Now scroll down toward the bottom to where it says Softaculous Apps Installer. And right underneath it, you should see the word WordPress. Click on it. It should take you to this WordPress installation page. Click Install Now. Next, you come to this page and we need to fill few details. And the first thing is choose a protocol and make sure it's HTTP. Next, choose your domain, viralimpact.us, and scroll down a little bit and give your site a name. In this case, Viral Impact. And site description. The last part is the admin account. This is what we're going to use to log in into our WordPress dashboard. You can change the username, and it's better to change it for security reasons. Choose something you are familiar with, like your last name or your website name. I'm gonna use Viral Impact. And for the password, make sure to use a strong one. Use a combination between letters and special characters. Admin email. Just use your regular email, Gmail account, or whatever you use. Now just scroll down, there is nothing more to do, and hit this install button. And congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now we need to access our WordPress dashboard. To do that, just click on this URL where it says administrative URL. And here we go. Now you are on your WordPress dashboard. Now what you want to do is save this or bookmark this page. Save your login credential in a safe place in case you forgot about them.